The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, fellas. Guys, very good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is Thursday, June 17th. Very good morning, fellas. We are headed lower. We're coming down to 647 on the NASDAQ. Good morning, Ray. I got your emails. I've been meaning to respond. I apologize. Greg, good morning. John, you got a short in the Y, and oh, that's the DAX. We don't care about that for now. We do have a short in the YM. Guys, the momentum candles are now available. Anybody that may be interested in these candles, they are ready to roll. I just got my updated version from Joel. As you can see on the ES, I've changed that. Yeah, I got it, Rich. I got it. I'll take care of that today. I changed the arrows to pink. I may go to yellow. These candles here, Patrick, are now available if anybody wants to buy them. They're $5.97. Anybody that's interested, send me an email. Let's see what we're looking at here, fellas. We had a good European session, second to last session. We got small sellers in the NASDAQ. Great volume. Small sellers. I'm expecting an increase in volatility today. We actually have buyers in copper. There's 8 o'clock. Gold needs no gold. Jeez. 1786. Another $20. We're off $100 since yesterday. Yeah, there was a nice long in the NASDAQ. I'll show it to you. 4,100 sellers. Crude's should have some selling. ES actually has net buying, which is interesting. Silver will have net selling. It does. Euro has net buying. All right, guys, there's your net numbers. Obviously, we have continuing and initial jobless claims. Nice job, Rich. Yeah, the candles would have gotten that here. Here it is on a 30 at 05, all the way up to 32 on the 15 range. Thought I saw a long. I guess I did not, or at least an arrow. Thought I saw it here at 98. In any event, morning, Deepak. My sense is lower, fellas. Morning again, Derek. Guys, we had a good European session. Tomorrow will be the last day of Europe, at least until September, if we do it again. We'll revisit in September. If there's any interest, I'll redo it. If not, no harm, no foul. U.S. government required disclaimer: futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future performance. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to the trade. Trade according to your own accounts. Trade according to your tolerance for risk. We're good to go, guys. We get down through 87.6. We'll tag that bottom. That bid is pushing it here. It's ahead of news, so if this comes up through here, it's going to be a long. If it comes up through 91.2. Got a bid sitting on them at 89.2. Bid sitting here again at 88.4. Need to take out 88.1. Come on. Come on. If you guys want some ticks, you got a 10 tick trade, 13 ticks. I'm looking for that bottom to break, but again, it's early. If you guys want some ticks, you got money. I think we come 87.2. 87.2 first target. Trade them as you see fit, guys. It's early. And we're just kind of bopping around back and forth. If we snap that bottom, I mean, this could go. Trade them as you see fit, guys. Big seller here, 146 with 30. Somebody sold 30 at 89.2. If you guys want money, take it. We're just putzing around here. We've got some buyers. They didn't sell them again. They didn't hit them again at 89.2. I don't like this retest. Could be setting up for a pop higher. NASDAQ's short. I'm late on that at 12. I mean, I think that's where we're coming. I'd like to see this next 5-minute candle in 50 seconds below the 95 and start there. They sold 89.2. See if they sell it again. That's why. Let me go to a 15 range, bigger time frame. Sellers here, block sales, 89.3. They're selling 2 and 3. Got to get down through probably 88.6. We're 288.6. Come on. If we snap that swing low, it's going to be quick. Again, it's pre-market. If you guys want some ticks, it's ahead of news. You want to reduce your risk, try to get it on runners. Don't be bashful about making money, especially when things are slow in the pre-market. I'd like to see one lower low here. This guy keeps jumping from here up. Jumped again. I don't like that we're not coming lower here. They're selling the 95, but I don't like that we're not breaking lower. We could pop up into 91, 4 or 5 before it dumps again. Come on, sell them off. Take out that swing. Morning, Magnus. Come on. Again, if you guys want to take some risk off, If we get that swing, it's going to be quick to the target. He didn't jump up this time. But we're holding this area, guys. If it breaks, it's going to be a rip. Again, you got a couple $100 in it. Should go. New 15. We got a new 15 range candle here. Trade it as you see fit. If it breaks, it's going to be quick. You got 13, 14 ticks, 15 ticks. Should have been quick. There it is. Target hit. Target hit. Now let's see if we can snap that bottom. I'd like to see us down at 75. Buyers at 87.3. NASDAQ was a decent little trade, 13 down to 05. Anybody have a runner going in gold? Anybody have one going? Okay, Lee. NASDAQ was a great trade too. I just didn't want to put on a second trade. All right, fellas. One and done. One and done. Jesus, Ray. 9 cars going? It's time to gas up the boat. Gas it up. You should be out feeding the ducks already on the lake. That is a beast. I'm not ready to give it up yet. Look at the bottom. They're selling the bottom. They're killing it. They just some buyers now. We've only got a 74.5 tick trade here. Nice job, Ray. 75 tick runner, fellas. 80 tick runner. I've moved my stop down to 86.7. This guy's standing in the way with 233 to buy at 80.5. I'm not sure he's real. We'll find out in 1 second. He's gone. If he had 233 to buy, he just got him. 270 sold here at 80.5. $84.2 stop. Come on, let's make it $1,000 runner. One more puke it up. Let's see where we're at here, guys. If we can blow out that bottom, I mean, 69.1, 74.9, and 69.1. Another day low. Come on. There we are. Over $1,000 runner, guys. $1,100 runner. I hope somebody's holding these things. Good morning, Greg. We're beating gold up pretty good here, Greg. $82.2 stop. Just keep selling it. Everybody wants out. Let's go. I mean, all they can muster right now is 130 buyers. That's all they got. 140 buyers. Looks like the Fed is saying the inflation is not transitory. It's going to get worse, fellas. Got some consolidation here. We should break back down low, I would think, out of that. I'm going to move stop down to 80.8. It could pop up and take me out, but nonetheless, a hell of a trade here, fellas. Some of you guys should be one and done hitting golf balls. You can hit golf balls all day if you're super rich. Hit your daily goal, your day is done. Nice. I've gone to 80. I've locked in 9 handles on gold. We may bounce here. I really don't want to see it 79.8. I'm right above the stack sellers and the offers here. It could pop up and take me out. I'm cool with that. Are they going it again, Greg? Yeah, we have continuing and initial jobless claims. It's not going to save gold. I mean, it may pop up and take me out, but yeah, my stop's at 80. Got big sellers here and buyers at 78.4. It's a miss. It's a miss. Philly Fed's a miss. Miss, miss, and miss. I remember gold at $260 an ounce back in 1998, 99, 2000. 230 an ounce. All right, fellas. I don't remember 35. That's before. What was that? 1942? I don't remember that. Gold, $35 an ounce? In 2000, gold was $35 an ounce? No, it wasn't. Yeah, no. I know for a fact. Let me just say, I know for a fact. Oh, I bought them for August and I'm getting killed on them. I bought GLD 175 calls yesterday. I mean, they're almost worthless. Guess I read that one wrong on the Fed. I thought they would talk about reducing mortgage-backed securities. All right, guys. That's a nifty little $1,200 trade. Yeah, I didn't buy it. I mean, it's not like I bought $1 million worth of the stuff. So if I lose it, I lose it. You got a long in gold. If you guys want to try a long in gold, it's got to get 8 right here, 83.3. All right, filled 83.3. We're stuck at the, come on, break above this yellow, bigger than this. If this doesn't break quickly, I'm going to kill it. First target, 86.3. There we go. There we go. Come on. Pump it up. It's got to get above 84.3. If anybody had the gumption to take this trade. Now we're back below yellow, which I'm not digging, and I'm not going to keep the damn trade. Come on. Don't be a chooch. We broke above yellow, broke back below yellow. We had buyers. Come on. Come on. Get above that yellow. Let's go. There we go. Come on. I need a candle to close above this yellow and it's good to go. Come on. Ah, you dog. Come on, gold. Got buyers, guys. One more push. Come on, Oompa Loompa. God, I hate those dots. They're in the way of this going higher. Come on. Come on. You got him. There we go. We should be good to go. Come on. Don't make me kill the trade. You're above yellow. You're free and queer. Let's go. Come on. If you guys want to take some risk off, your prerogative. I think we can get to 86.3. I think we can get to 88. We'll just trade gold. Come on, one more move. One more push. What do we get to? 85.3. 10 more ticks. If you guys want to take some risk off, take it off. Take it off. Look at this chooch. Come on. Got to get above this candle here, 85.4, and it's done. I won't be in it at 82.6. We got to get through 85.4. Come on. Seriously, this 85 area is killing it. I'll be out in 1 second. Don't care if it goes without me. Out, 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 out. It's money. Still think it's a long. This is a pullback, I think, to find another 15 range candle, probably about 85, 1 or 2. We'll see. Money in the bag, guys. Money in the bag. $21.09 minus. We've done about $1,500 on 2 trades if you've traded it the same. Watch that NASDAQ. Picking up sellers again. Guys, could these candles be any easier? Again, I can only trade one at a time. Well, not really, but they're all kind of moving together, so it's tough. Could this be any easier? Gold could come back to 79 if it flips. Looks like it's gonna. If you're joining us late, we're up about 1,600 on two trades. A big gold short. Crude took off nicely. Looks like we're getting a nice bounce. Sheesh, copper was huge. All right, set that for sell to close. Let's see, gold coming back down, it looks like. It's kind of holding. It's consolidating down here. Just getting my bots on, guys. All right, the bots are on. Take a look at NASDAQ, see where we can go. I think support is around 045. No, not going to automate it, Mark. You mean the candles? No. What's 45.97? Hang on, guys. 1 second. Yes. Yes. You can do 45.97, but again, fellas, there couldn't be anything easier, right? Look, you got that long, nice short here. YM got a nice long. Small short here. 99 down to 68. Nice trade. Still, this is a great trade. 822. This up 60 ticks. Good morning, Keith. Again, guys, if you're joining late, here's copper. I'm going to go to a 10 range on copper. If you're joining late, we've taken two trades. We're up about 15 or 1,600, something like that. Watch that gold, which may roll again. Guys, we're in no hurry. We've taken two great trades. Watch YM. They're buying the living hell out of these things right now. There's target 1 on gold on the bot. I don't have the auto trail on, so I'm going to move that up. Jeez. Let them go. I'm not chasing this. We're not going to get a pullback. So be it. Okay, Greg. It's been a good morning, guys. I'm in no hurry to get in a trade. None. They don't want to sell it? Don't sell it. I don't really care. They will at some point. This is going to close to 30. This should pull back to 88. And then 63. If not, we'll sit here and watch them. Come on down. Come on, another 15 ticks. Let's go, rat bag. Come on, YM. Let's go. Come get you some. There you go. 80 ticks on the YM. Break even. Let it go. You guys good? YM, you good? We good on YM, fellas? Okay. Guys, they're going to be fast. We got volatility. Watch the screens. Got your short here. I will never. I can't say never. It gave us a little short, and then look, goes about 3 points and does nothing. It's a dog. It's a complete dog with fleas. A Russell. Russell's great for 7-year-olds. I can't trade it. You trade it with big stops. I can't trade that thing. If I used a 475 tick stop, it would go 476. Exactly. That's the problem for me with the YM. Drop stop down to 870. Guys, this is 66 stop. Well, I mean, the volatility is pretty rough. Here comes this god darn NASDAQ right back. Watch for the flip on the NASDAQ. ES is rolling over too. Why? Because it's a dog. Gold is starting to roll. I think that might have been it. Really like to see gold get its keister back above 1800 though. Google's up a couple bucks. Apple's up small. We're banging them out on the YM. Silver's coming down. Gold is coming down. One bot trade for 500 and something $90, I think. 59 ticks on the bot. NASDAQ's doing its own thing. Gold, if we can break below VWAP, will give us a really super trade. 60 ticks, though. 70 tick trade here. I haven't had any bot trades other than the one, but I only run a few now. Yeah, YM is playing nicely with the other kids today. Yeah, yeah. As soon as I got that neutral bar. Yep. I put my stop at 38, fellas, on the YM because it looks like it's going to want to break back above VWAP. But it's a hell of a trade. ES on the 15-minute, NASDAQ on the 3-minute, gold on the 3-minute, and crude on the 3-minute. That's it. Crude doesn't look like it's going to take a trade. It's in longs. Gold is starting to roll over, and NASDAQ, I'm running with a 15-minute filter. Oh, and the Russell on the Unirenko. You got a short on gold. If you guys want a gold short, I don't have a Dom set. 85.4. 85.4 was the signal. I didn't have a Dom set to gold. No, it's a manual entry. No, there is no. This is not. The candles are not automated. No, but you can see it setting up. You can see it setting up. You know, once you start getting blue bars, we're going in the opposite direction. So, for instance, watch copper. Let me find it. Get it to a copper. I don't have a signal yet, but I could have shorted that red bar. YM. 31 stop, guys. I'll make it 32 just so it's an even 60 ticks locked in. How's that? When you get the signal, hit it. You're going to take losing trades. I don't care what. But look at this. Here, anybody catch this? 80. I mean, here's another 20 tick trade. All right, let's set gold. Here's copper on the breakout. First target is off, and it's just auto trailing. That's copper. Gold I've set to buy the close. So any bounce, it'll buy the close. NASDAQ, we're going up on the NASDAQ. We're going up. I moved the stop down to 16 on YM. NASDAQ, we had 1,000 sellers, 2 candles back. Didn't pull back much. Looks like they're clearing the decks here, fellas. Gold was a nice sell. They're going to run this thing up again. YM is trying. My stop is awfully tight. But nonetheless, I mean, it's 40 ticks, 10 handles on the first 2. And now 16 at, 12 would, if I can get it down to 12. There are 70 ticks locked in. 70 locked. They're buying the NASDAQ.
Target filled.
Oh, that's silver. Silver got first target. I'm not paying much attention here, guys. I'm watching this NASDAQ. On what? Gold on the bot. Yeah, copper's. Come on, copper and silver doing the do. Crude too. I miss crude. Damn it, I didn't have it on. Yeah, because they're ridiculous. It's not going anywhere. Where's the dollar going? This is just a bounce. People blowing out of gold. Out on the YM, fellas. Out on the YM. Zero. I'm waiting for this NASDAQ to roll over. It doesn't want to. It's going to 14,100. It's going back up to yesterday's high, 95 to 100. That's what it looks like. I'm not getting in the way of this thing. Crude is rolling over and I missed it. Okay, that's great. On what? I don't even know what filled or where. That's always good. Oh, gold. No, gold. NASDAQ may be turning. Support initially, guys, is going to be at 07. You can try a NASDAQ long at 06. Nice job, Sandy. I'm looking at 06 for the bounce.
Order submitted.
I don't know if it gets there or not, but stop is going to be, 85. Yeah, but they're different time frames, John. They're different time frames. This is just basically catching market noise. This is a bigger time frame. It's not going to come down, it doesn't look like. They just step in and keep buying this NASDAQ. I'm going to close that. I close that. Order filled on what? Guys, I love it when I'm looking around and I don't see any trades. I don't see a trade. You guys can cancel that 06. We got the 10.75. Not gonna do it. Not gonna do it. Unless I get a pullback, I can't do doodly. I'll just sit here and watch the NASDAQ. We have made a shoot ton today. Is there anybody not making money? Let me get these out of the way. We all know we're trailing on the breakout. Guys, hit them straight, fellas. Hit them straight, hit them far. I'm going to move that bot trade. God dang, look at this NASDAQ go, fellas. They are tearing the crap up out of stops. They're running stops here. There's no way this is just net buying. ES isn't reflecting that. Everybody be patient. If you came in late and you haven't taken any trades, be patient. There is no trades to do here. Here comes gold on the bot. I missed that short here at 85.4. It's only 40 ticks now.
Target fell.
There's first target on the bot. I'm just going to manually move that. I do not have the auto trail on. I do not have to watch it now. Copper is still dumping on the breakout indicator. Crude I missed. I have no longs or may get a long on the YM. That's all that's working. May get a small short now on the NASDAQ. God, they won't rotate out of the NASDAQ yet. Hang on, guys. Okay, guys. The Supreme Court ruling against Republicans in an effort to strike down Obamacare. Nothing I can do with NASDAQ, ES, doopty doing around. NASDAQ, if we can get up about, YM above 829, 830 has a shot of going. All right, Russell shorted on the bot. Russell's a short on the bot. Look at this dirty dog. Guys, NASDAQ target is 95. I can't even get a damn pullback to get in this thing. 95. If you're long NASDAQ, bless you. But I can't get a pullback. I would still buy, now I would buy 10 on a pullback. That's all I have. We've got gold still short on the bot. Russell short on the bot. And on the breakout indicator, copper is still going. And now I got crude long on the bot. That's what I got. If gold blows through 75, watch out. And I missed this thing. Golly. Russell trying out on crude. NASDAQ, nothing. Let me get rid of some of these. Gold is still going. Stop is at break even. I'm going to move stop down. All right. Russell is got first target, break even. Gold, I've moved stop to first target. So that will lock in 28 ticks. Russell is at break even. I'm going to get that out of here. And copper is still trailing. Watch YM again. That may be the only thing we get a trade in. Gold, I missed here at 85.4. Crude on a 15 range is telling me it's a long. Or, you know, it was long at 04, but it's failing. Copper is consolidating. Looks like it wants to break that low. Silver is still getting spanked around. NASDAQ won't give me a pullback. I don't know what happened with CL either. There's no news. It wants to bid. Here, hang on, guys. Is what it looks like to me. Small net sellers, 200. There was a spike down and bounce right back up. I don't hear any news. All right, guys. I'm going to try a long on crude at 80 at wait a minute. August. My dom's on August. I don't want August. Damn it. I wanted September. That's your long 05. My dom's on August. CL-07. The volume is still in the front month. I missed it. I wanted 06. My dom was, I rolled it and then set everything back when I looked at volume, but my dom didn't roll. Watch NASDAQ. We're getting a little toppy here. If NASDAQ turns over, I'm going to sell it. We're into support here, though. Hang on, guys. Nah, I think we're coming down to 3. ES is a short. ES is a small short. 26 half, 26.75. And I may have missed that. Missed it. I missed it. It's gone. NASDAQ is our next. We're setting up for roll. 500 sellers in here. Gold may bounce. I got the breakout set for buy the close. It'll fire along here. All right, gold, 77.9. Come on, NASDAQ, flip. I think we can sell the NASDAQ here. I think we can sell the NASDAQ here with a 26 stop. 17.18 with a 26. Let's see here. Hang on. Copper's pushing up, is going to run into the trailing stop. Come on, gold. Go. Come on, gold. Out on gold on the bot, on the runner. The name I dare not speak has a $500 runner on the bot. Close that.
Order filled.
I'm out. I'm done with it. I'm done. It may go, it may not. We've exceeded third target on Russell short. Anybody catch that ES, fellas? Anybody get the ES? I missed it. Anybody get it? Okay, Gary. Anybody else? Guys, you can follow along in the screen. If I miss a trade, like I missed here on gold, you can take the trade. Okay, Keith. Yeah, but you traded two VWAP. It's still two handles. I know ES guys here. You got a long here on the Nasdaq. I know ES guys that would kill for two handles consistently, but they trade size. Nasdaq's a long. It's not going to give you a big target, but Nasdaq is a long. Nice job, Frank. There you go. Now it's a free trade if it breaks down. I'm not taking this long. I'm waiting for a bigger pullback, at least to 6. Nice job, Lori. Good job. There's 58 to 60 target. Yeah, 57. I'm wrong. I'm off by 4 ticks. Watch ES will give you a long. ES is way behind. Gold trying to turn back up. YM, nothing. Crude, nothing. I mean, I could start looking at soybeans and wheat, bean oil. It's been a prolific day. There's 58. YM got to get above 70, 770. Copper is above yellow. We may get a bid in copper. NQ is going to 14,095. We're going back to 100 area. 100. We're probably going to trade up to 128, give or take. We're going to 95. 96. That was yesterday's high. You got a long on the ES if you guys want to try a long on the ES. First target is 2 points. 10.5, 12.5, target 1. Stop is 6. God, I hate this ES. Yeah, nasty. They're buying them all back. I mean, what happened to a rising tide carries all boats? This is support on the NASDAQ 9.5. Come on, push it, you little grasshopper. Let's go. Do your part. Everybody else is getting in on the action. Two ticks to first target, fellas. One tick to first target. Come on, seriously? One tick to first target. Look at this chooch. Come on. It's going to get it. It's going to get it. If you guys want to lower first target to, 12, your prerogative. Money is money. I really don't want to see this below 9.5. Not feeling the love, baby. Went 7 ticks. This is why I don't buy this is why I don't trade this ES all that often. It's just not for me. Too slow for my personality. Oh, got a short on gold. There's a short on gold. Target 178.5. Come on. Let's call it 78.8. We're slowing down. Come on, gold. God, that should get that. We got to 79.1. Scumbag. There goes ES trying again. No, I think that what's going on with NASDAQ is it's tearing up stops. And we're going right back to where we were yesterday. Nothing's changed. Come on, ES. 2 more ticks for real? 2 more ticks for real. There it is. Oh, hit target, no fill. Hit target, no fill. Twice. There it is. Again, at target, no fill. At target again, no fill. You stink. Seriously. It's totally liquid. That's what they tell me. It's totally liquid. Totally.
Target filled.
There we go. Out. Here comes your 95 on NASDAQ. I need gold to drop below 80.4 pretty quick. Anybody take ES? Anybody take ES, fellas? Nice job, Keith, in at 29.5. All right, gold. I'm closing the trade. I'm out.
Order filled.
First losing trade today. Between the European session and here. First losing trade. Let's see if we can't get to 21 on the ES. We're going to have to cross 15 quarter. Somebody say 95. We hit it. Nice job, Marco. We hit it, 95. We break. Okay. What are you doing? Thought you were done, Ray. Couldn't help yourself. I wouldn't give up the ES, fella. I mean, the NASDAQ. You're back off the lake already? I told everybody that you were going to take them water skiing. We're meeting at your place at lunch. I would not, if you're in the NASDAQ, I mean, look, I'm looking pretty foolish for not taking that trade at 29. Come get me on the way up, Chris. And I closed it before the stop, and this may come back down. Guys, let me give you some numbers where we're at the moment. The bot is up 12.25. The breakout indicator is up 14.72 and 50 cents. I am up 22.79.01 pending the conclusion of this trade, of which 600 and change was Europe. So 16, almost 1,700 in this session. That's what that losing trade on gold, which now looks like it's coming down to my target. All of that without a single NASDAQ trade.
Order filled.
It's inconceivable. That's just inconceivable. I do not think it means what you think it means. Oh, I forgot about natural gas. I'm going to sell the close on natural gas. I mean, I would think it has to turn at some point, but apparently not. It's gone through everything. There you go. That would be my first target, except I can't move it. If you guys took natural gas, take some risk off.
Target filled.
There you go. President Biden is not, look, over 100. We're above yesterday. That is unbelievable. And yet they're killing gold. Good God. Nothing we're short on the bot as well. Russell. Guys, it's 10:30. I'll be shutting bots off at this point. I mean, there's enough volatility you can probably trade, but
Target filled.
there's first target. Break even. I don't have to watch it and let it auto trail. That's the last trade, bot trade for the day. Bots are off. I still think gold is lower, but copper can't get out of its own way. Crude doesn't want to do anything. Watch that YM. Yes, still porking around, but no cigar yet. God almighty, man. See you tomorrow, Chris. Good day. See you at 8 a.m. Oh, phenomenal. Terrific day. Terrific. Missed a bounce on gold and silver. Next stop, 122. Above 122, we're going to 140. NASDAQ's up 137 points. ES is up 3. And the YM is down 137. Can't get a bounce. All right. I'll bite on this YM trade.
Order filled.
First target right about 806 VWAP. First target is VWAP. If you guys are here on trial, I hope have enjoyed the week. I will give you guys a brief presentation tomorrow I'll send you guys out an email today. If you guys want some ticks, you got them. Come on, one more candle. Let's go. One more candle. There we go. Here comes YMski. Another half a Grandsky. Come on. Come on. Go give me VWAP. What a rat dog. 4 ticks. 3 ticks. 2 ticks. 1 tick. Come on, go get it. There it is. Oh, got it. Target filled. It's free and queer. I'm not charging enough for these candles, fellas. Don't forget the runner on ES up 475. Or the chokes. Ray. Leave some money for the rest of the planet, Ray. I'm trading this thing to 31. Guys, that may be the most YM trades I've ever done in a day. Ever. Natural gas, still plopping. Bot is done for the day. $1,415 on the bot. 14.15. Do I have any of my trials in here? Are any trials in still, guys? If you're here on trial, I can go through the list. Any of the trials still in? So I've locked in 6 handles on the ES runner. And on the YM, we're in at 71. I'm at 94, 97. I'll go 96 and just lock in 25. I'm not looking, I don't use order flow for YM. So I have no, stacked imbalances. I'm not looking at anything to hide behind. 150. I mean, I think NASDAQ, I told you guys this morning, 95. We're now 30 handles above that. 230, which is R2, 230. Yet nothing else. I mean, it's the indices show. Nothing in crude, nothing in gold, nothing in copper, although it's starting to turn. Nothing in coffee. Nothing in RTY. Oh, how about Salt Lake City or Jackson Hole? Jackson Hole in August. You're going to hear 10,000 speakers before then. All right, 96. I'm going to 01. 30 locked in on YM. 30. I can't give that out, Frank. I can't give that out. I'm not going to give it out in email either because I'm essentially have to give you the programming. And please don't take it personal. It's not personal. I'm just not giving out the programming. What I'm going to do, Magnus, I'm moving this manually, guys. Yeah, I'm going to move this manually. I'm just troweling it tight. Okay, it's up 33 ticks on the runner. That's the breakout. So here's what I'm going to do. Don't anybody go anywhere. NASDAQ reversed on me. And I'll probably take a loss on that trade. I'm not letting it go to stop out. And GC out. Gave me ticks, nothing. Yeah, listen, that's the trade, guys. I mean, it is what it is. The ES, I guarantee you we're coming down into the close of Europe. It's 11 o'clock. My charts are frozen? No, that's because I moved the DOM. Here comes your gold. I closed the natural gas trade. What a beast. Gold coming. Yellen does not believe we're at risk of hyperinflation. I still think that ES has got to come down. Yeah, we're already in it. If California, look at this YM trade. I missed a monster. If New York and California were really fully online, you would see prices that are staggering. I went to a smaller time frame. We're slowing down. Went to a 15 range. ES, you're boring me to death. Here comes gold. If anybody shorted gold, you got 15 ticks in it. If this shorts, I'm hitting it, guys. $4,200 net buyers. If ES is being obstinate, I won't let this go above 1250. That's my stop. If it takes it, it takes it. That's all I'm giving it. Gold is bouncing. Come on, NASDAQ. All right, gold just took a long on the breakout. Let's see if we can I said I wasn't going to do any more trades, but I did. The breakout indicator's up 2200. Well, you guys can't see the ES. Watch the NASDAQ.
Order filled.
Okay, done. 1852. Done. ES, I'm about ready to torture. I can get 2 ticks out of this thing. 2 ticks.
Order filled.
Done. 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 Right back up. NASDAQ. Guys, I'm about done for the day. It's been a unbelievable trade today. Unbelievable trade. Anybody have any questions? You're welcome, James. Anybody have any questions? Okay. Look, right back up. I mean, NASDAQ is just a tough trade today, fellas. Tough trade. Everything else is trading nicely. This should come down to 88, 89. Should come down to 88, 89. Now, again, it's a 15 range, so it's a lot herkier and jerkier than the typical 30 range that I trade. On a 30 range, that may not have even been a trade. Let me just see something here. Yeah, gave the trade at 99. ES is dumping like somebody threw a brick off. That's it, I'm done. Somebody threw a brick off a bridge. YM is puked it up monstrously. Gold is well, giving up the gold. CL, copper. NASDAQ's the only thing that does not want to turn south. I don't know with this NASDAQ. It's just being an obstinate little thing. It's using yesterday's high as support. Fellas, I'm going to wrap it up for the day. We had a monstrous trade today. Is there anybody that did not have a great day? See you at noon, fellas. I will see you. Those of you that are in order, up over 9,000 today, trading small size. Nice job, Francis. Great job. All right, guys. Any of